First, turn the water off to your house. So if you've got handles like this, you take the hot cold indicator out of it. There's a screw in the middle. Now this one might be super hard to get out, depending on how old the thing is. And then once you get it out, this might be also really hard to get off. I had to use a steering wheel puller. I got a longer bolt, put it in there, and then used the steering wheel puller to pull it off. But if yours is relatively new, then it'll just come right off like that. And you've got some kind of trim piece that, in this case, screws out. Some of them have a little set screw on the bottom that you unscrew, and then they just come off. This particular one is a screw on, so it screws on. Now at this point, you'll need a special tool. This is a plumbing socket. You can get a whole set of these for under 20 bucks at Home Depot. You put that in there and then you torque it. Obviously, I've already loosened this one up, so you might have to put a little more torque on it. And then that comes out. And your problem is, as you can see on the end of it here, that's supposed to be rubber and it's supposed to be able to stop water, but it's all torn up. So you've got two gaskets to worry about. You've got this gasket here, which is rubber, and then you've got this big rubber gasket that actually stops the water from coming in and out of the shower. So you want to fix both of them. And then you want to look down the hole. You can see in there where that rubber seats. You just want to feel around in there with your finger and make sure that that's not sharp or eroded, or there's nothing there that's going to stop it. You want it to be pretty smooth so that the new rubber can seat on it real easy. And then you go to Home Depot and you try and find a washer this size and a washer this size, or you throw the whole thing away. And if you want to replace the washer, there's a screw on the end here that you just unscrew to screw a new rubber stopper on there. That's real easy. But you could also go to the parts bin and find something that matches exactly. They have a whole bunch of different ones for different faucets. And so you can see I found one that matches. So I'm just going to use that. And it has new rubber on it and everything's new. So it's going to be like a brand new faucet rather than this thing that's, who knows, from the 1940s. Then you put the one washer on and reach it in the hole and kind of get it started by hand. You definitely want to make sure that it's in the threads. Like that. And get your appropriately sized socket on it. Doesn't have to be super tight. So it comes with a bar, and this thing has holes in it. So you can put the bar in the hole and then just give it a little extra. Double up. Like that. And then it's in there tight. It's not going to leak. Screw this beautiful dirty piece in. This is probably a good time to power scrub it. Or you can also buy all new knobs when you're at Home Depot if you want. And you might want to put some caulk around it before you seal it down. And that way it'll have a nice tight seal. Then put your knob on. Tighten the screw. Put your H back in. And you're done.